Hello students, I am Raki teacher. Once again I am welcoming you to standard 7. So as we have done our first lesson, that is nutrition in plants, right? So we have done with that. I have given the question answers also, and you all have copied down it with a neat and clean handwriting, and even you have written down the what experiments I have shown that you have to copy down in your activity notebooks. I hope you all have done that. So moving to our next lesson, that is nutrition in animals. As we have seen a different type of nutrition in plants. Okay, now we'll see the nutritions in animals. What are the nutritions in animals that we are going to see in this whole lessons? How animals, in that humans also. So in this, these are the steps which I am going to involve in the entire lesson. The steps involved in animal nutrition. What all the steps involved for the animal nutrition? How they intake, how they put out everything. This everything I am going to explain. Nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a small organism floating on a water or in a water. That nutrition, it is shown how it takes its food, how it consumes it, and how it drains out the waste. That example is given in your textbook. That I am going to explain. Nutrition in humans. As you know, humans, that is very important part. Nutrition in humans. The most of the chapter, most of the lesson is based in nutrition in humans. How humans take the nutrition, how humans take the food inside, how that food get distributed to the different parts of a body, and how it drains out, how we drains out. That everything we are going to learn in this lesson. Nutrition in ruminants. Ruminants means nutrition in ruminants. Ruminants, under this also animals come. Ruminants means chewing again and again. You must have noticed that goat, when goat eats something, when you observe a goat, it takes its food and everything, it out the grass, plant, everything. When the goat is sitting alone, it keeps on chewing like that. That ruminant chewing again and the thing, it is stored inside, that comes back again and it keeps on chewing again and again. That it ruminates. So nutrition in ruminants. What are the nutrition that contain, that we will see. And some of the definition is given. As you can see, your page number 12 and 13. So nutrition means a nutrition, living thing required food to stay healthy and live. Like they need a nutrition for a day-to-day life to stay healthy. So these are the nutrition, and some of the definition I have given. Digested and absorbed food for its utilization is called hologic nutrition. Some of the animals take the food and it utilize for its digestion and absorb the different part. That is called hologic nutrition. Digested and absorb food for its utilization, different parts के लिए, that is called hologic nutrition. This is one definition. Next is ingestion. Ingestion, this is the process of taking food into body, is called ingestion. Means a food is there, this is the process, you are taking a food from an animal, that is you are taking inside. That process is called ingestion. Don't say digestion. Digestion means digest hona. The process of taking a food inside the body is called ingestion. Next, coming to the part, abhi food to liya. Different nutrition utilized, that is hologic nutrition. Food lena, that is ingestion. Next, food digest hona. How it digests, let's see. Breaking down of a complex compound of food into simple soluble form is called digestion. Means if you are taking a chapati or a roti, sabzi, whatever it is a solid, right? It is a hard substance. If you are taking inside it, you are breaking down that food in a simple form, then it is mixing with your salivary gland and everything, then it is going down. That is that it is going in your intestines. Which intestine? That I am going to explain in the nutrition in humans. Which intestine, how it comes out. So this process is called digestion, means वहाँ पे वो digest हो जाता है. Next, digestion process in your stomach. It's a bag, U-shaped bag in which digestion form. Passing soluble products of a digestion into the cell of the body through body fluid is called absorption. Now you have taken the food inside, it is going to the digestion process. Now what happens in the digestion process? Different parts. If you are taking a chapati, dal, everything together, means it contains different types of vitamins, proteins, fats, fibers, everything. So what all the body need, it get distributed over there. Like our body absorb that vitamins, proteins, everything, that is called absorption. Okay, passing soluble substance, whatever the vitamins, everything is present, that is passing through the bodies. This is called absorption. These are the definition, just keep in mind, don't get jumbled over there. Next, assimilation. Assimilation means what? A process of using the absorb. Here we have absorbed the food, here we got digested, then the food is absorbed. The process of using the absorbed food by the body is called assimilation. अभी food तो absorb हो गया, now वो process को क्या बोलते हैं? Assimilation. That comes under the process assimilation. Next, now अभी वो whatever the thing is needed for the body, that is consumed. Now the remaining things, the process of removing undigested food material from the body is called egestion. That is, जो भी हमें नहीं चाहिए waste material, that is thrown outside, that is called egestion. This is the definition of all the process of a food is intaken and given out after the digestion process is done. This everything we are going to cover in this. And again one more is a picture shown over there, nutrition in amoeba. A diagram of amoeba is given on your page number on your page number of 13. Just see a page number 13, a diagram picture of amoeba is given. If you want to see a picture of an amoeba, you cannot see with your eyes. Pond water, if the water is in a pond, it is stored water, it is in a pond. Like if you see, collect that water from a pond and see under a microscope, you'll find a small fine particles floating on the water. That is nothing but an amoeba structure. So amoeba is having finger-like structures. Just I will show. Amoeba is having a finger-like structure. Okay student, as we have seen the definition, how the process happened, what all the names are given for the different process. So those are the definition we have seen with it. Now nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a small organism floating on a water that we'll see, and its figure, it is a shapeless. So it does not have any definite shape. Okay, this is the structure of amoeba as in my school time I have seen like this way, and in your textbook also it is mentioned likewise. Okay, so what I am telling, amoeba is not having any shape. This is the finger like structures जो फिंगर की जरा बाहर आते हैं, that is called, this outer covering is called pseudopodia, and these are the food vocals, that those are the food vocals. What happened, food vocals जो है, and this, if any particle, any floating particles comes here, it traps it, it opens from here, and this food particle passes inside. This food particles go inside, again it closes down. So this is from here, it takes out its food inside through the food vocal. One, see on your page number, it is mentioned there how the amoeba process, it takes the food in the body and the fruit through the food vocal. It traps from its finger like structure is given. Those are the covering that called as pseudopodia, and this food is getting inside, floating particles, floaty tiny particles that is captured inside. that breakdowns, it takes its food, it passes to the other side of its body, and whatever is not needed, it again throw it out. It again throw it out. Again those whatever the thing is not needed, that is not useful, undigested, that is thrown out. This is the structure shortly explained in your textbook, that is nutrition in amoeba. So this is what I have explained you, and one of the diagram is given. See, stepwise the thing is mentioned, the food and the pseudopodia and the food vocals, how the food process happens and how the food is break down and undigested food is thrown out of the body. So this is about the amoeba. Lastly, I want to give the homework. As I have explained you about the concept, what definition and what are the steps I am going to involve in this lesson. So this is everything, the definition and all. More things I have to confirm because of the short time. We will continue this lesson in our next video. Before the leaving, I would like to give the homework. So for the student, just read the lesson from the page number 12, 13 and half of the 14. So time to answer now. Page number 14, time to answer A, B, C, D, E. Some of the points are mentioned, some of the circle the correct word among the words given. Just see the definition, you'll get to know what all the things is. Like first one I'll do for you. Assimilation or absorption is the process of using absorbed food. Which is the process of absorbed food? As I have told, process of using absorbed food, that is assimilation or absorption. Definitely is assimilation. Same thing you have to continue in the B, C, D, E. This is for the homework. And next, nutrition in humans, that is very important. So we will continue in the next video.